Welcome back to my channel. This is Sanskruti. So I actually filmed a video before it, so my costume is as the same, so forget about that. Today's video is a DIY video that I love to share with you guys because I actually discover in things and probably they work very nice, and as I have a sensitive skin tone, if it is working for me, it is absolutely going to work to any other skin tone. So that's why I share my DIY with you guys. So this time I am sharing a face pack which is meant for dehydrated skin, dull skin, and it actually going to brighten up your skin if you are going to use it regularly. So wasting time, let's get started. Some days back I actually tried a face pack and I just applied this, and oh my god guys, it works phenomenally in my skin. And actually the good part of this face pack is you can actually store it for a week in a jar or any container in your room temperature, and it will not going to affect and going to damage. So because it is a natural things, they will not going to react guys. So what I have done is that I am taking the ingredient I am taking is first the Multani mitti, or you can call the fuller's art. The second thing that I am going to taking is honey, and the third thing that I'm going to taking is oil. You can use olive oil, coconut oil, any oil that you use for your face. For your face, you can actually add them. Here I am using olive oil. So the process is very simple. Take a container or any jar, some amount of Multani mitti you want as per your requirement. Mix with 2 tablespoons or 3 tablespoons of honey. The amount is actually not specific guys, I'm just going it randomly. And after that, of any oil you prefer, I am using here olive oil, and mix this whole ingredient properly. You can use rose water or water for additional smoothness of this paste. Is ready to use. So guys, the benefit about these 3 ingredients that I will go into, that Multani mitti, it is an anti-aging formula. It is actually using from our grandmother to mother and from our ancient period, and it actually works in our Indian skin tone very nicely. It meant for acne, it meant for all the purpose. You use Multani mitti, and after Multani mitti I have actually taken the honey. So honey is actually meant for deep moisturizing your skin. So what it will going to do, that if you have dehydrated skin, it will going to hydrate your skin after when you wash your face, and also it meant for remove the dark patches from our skin. And the third thing is oil. Probably we will going to take coconut oil, olive oil, or almond oil. This 3 oil is contained full of fatty acids and vitamins which will going to give antioxidants to our skin. I will prefer in my food also olive oil or coconut oil because they are really very good for our health. So these are the ingredient list that I have mixed and made my pack, and it works phenomenally guys. Trust me, try this out for some weeks and you will going to find a huge difference in your skin. This is the face pack that I am sharing with you guys, and I hope it will work for your skin type because it works for me, so it will work for you also guys. So it will help you out in many ways, like the dehydration problem, dull skin, uneven skin tone, and also it will work skin tone and dry skin people. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit on that like button, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel right away, and also click on the bell button to get all the notifications whenever I'm going to posting any video. So in this is Sanskruti shining up. Bye.